Hey guys, my name is Craig with Renovation Flooring. Today I'm going to talk about the acclimation of your wood flooring. This applies to both engineered wood floors as well as your solid wood floors. First, this is an absolutely mandatory part of the installation process. If you do have any specific questions, please refer back to your manufacturer's guidelines. In order to start the acclimation process, you do need to prepare your home and your job site to make sure they're proper conditions. You must have power on, your doors and windows must be installed and secured, and your AC must be running at a constant temperature. Often we see many homeowners and contractors try to rush this process. You can't rush the process. If you don't do this, you'll end up with a poor installation and most likely a failure. After these steps are complete, then you can bring your wood into your home to prepare for acclimatization. So why do we have to acclimate our wood flooring? Well, wood absorbs and releases the moisture that's in the air. After spent time within that environment, it creates an equilibrium moisture content, thus stabilizing the wood and letting it remain flat. Without acclimating your wood, it'll actually change physical size based on the conditions in your home. As the temperature goes up, as the moisture content goes up and down, it'll change size, therefore creating peaks, gaps in your wood flooring, which is not ideal. After the installation is complete, remains the same as previous. You need to make sure your temperature remains consistent throughout. You don't need to have major temperature swings, 10 degrees, therefore. Your wood needs to be in that 60 to 80 degree range. Anything above and below generally creates a failure. This is especially important for your second home owners as well as your rental property owners, as when the home is unoccupied, you need to make sure your heating and air is set so it remains as a consistent temperature. If you do have any questions about this process, please contact our professionals at Renovation Flooring at either of our two offices at Miramar Beach or at Inlet Beach.